How many of you are obsessed with pumpkin spice? Well, if you're anything like me, it enters your life during the fall and just kind of puts you in the spirit of things. Pumpkin not only smells and tastes heavenly, but it works wonders in your hair as a hair mask. So today I'm going to share a DIY pumpkin spice hair mask that will soften, moisturize, and strengthen your dry, brittle hair for the winter season. If you'd like to see this recipe and how I apply it, just keep watching. Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rochelle and this is Discocurlstv. If you're new here, welcome. My channel provides tips on how to care for your fine curly hair so that you feel empowered and supported to be the best version of yourself. I post weekly on Sundays and would love to have you subscribe and join my community because I do DIYs, I do curly hair tutorials, product reviews, I have pregnancy and postpartum hair chat, and much more. So if you're curious as to why pumpkin works in a hair mask, let me break it down for you. Pumpkin contains vitamin A, which is going to help your scalp produce the healthy natural oils that it does. It also has vitamin E, which is going to prevent that hair loss and promote growth. And it contains potassium, which is also found in bananas, and that's going to help strengthen the hair and also promote hair growth. So to make this mask, you're going to need 1 cup of pumpkin that is cooked and then mashed and pureed. However, I am going to use the canned pumpkin because it is so much quicker, it is ready to go, and I just don't have that kind of time right now. Then I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of pure coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, or you can use agave nectar, and it's totally optional, but you can use 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Yogurt will help fight dandruff, and it even adds more moisture to your strands. So I'm going to combine all of the ingredients, the canned pumpkin, coconut oil, and honey into a mixing bowl and then mix it well with a fork. Now that my mixture is ready, I'm going to start by adding this to my wet hair. You can cleanse with the shampoo first or just wet the hair. It's really up to you and what you prefer to do. Some people want to shampoo after, but I actually like to rinse this out just really well, and when I'm done, I move on to a regular conditioner just so my hair doesn't feel super stripped afterwards. It might be easier to do this not like how I'm doing it, but add this in sections starting from the back and moving up towards your head, or you can just do it like me and kind of slap it on. I started using this brush to apply it, and then I just moved on to my hands because I just got lazy, I guess. So once your hair is saturated, you're going to add a disposable shower cap, or you can tie a plastic bag around your head to lock in the heat, and then you're going to leave that hair mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now that the time is up, I've already rinsed out the hair mask really well, and like I mentioned before, I co-washed with the conditioner after, just so my hair felt really cleansed but not stripped. I'm following up with my stylers, and then I'm going to let my hair air dry. And these are my results from using the pumpkin spice hair mask. My hair really feels soft, hydrated, strong, and shiny. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and now it's time to hear from you. I'd like to know if you've ever used pumpkin in a hair mask before, or please share some of your other favorite DIY hair masks down below in the comments. If you're new to my fine curly crew, I'd love to have you subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you are properly notified of when I post new content. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.